Hey guys, it is the accountant, and we are going to talk about some very fundamental concepts in accounting, mainly the what increases and decreases certain accounts. So, to go over just a few, and this is going to lead into another video of this accounting equation: assets equals liability plus owner's equity, more commonly known as stockholders' equity. Some people remember it as ALLO. ALLO is an easy way to remember: assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity or stockholders' equity. So, to get into it, I'm going to talk about what increases and decreases these accounts over here. So we have cash, and that is an asset. So over here we can kind of say assets most of the time increase with a debit. So cash is an asset, so it increases with a debit and decreases with a credit. Inventory. What kind of account is inventory? Well, inventory is something we have, so it also must be an asset. Increases with a debit. Accounts receivable. Now what is that? It is money owed to us, so that also must be an asset. If it's soon gonna be our money, well, then it's got to be an asset. Supplies, something also that we own, increase with a debit. Revenue, though, revenue is something that we are sort of generating through the common course of business, and this one increases with a credit and decreases with a debit. This will make more sense when I go over the accounting equation. Expenses, though, expenses increase with a debit and decrease with a credit. I'll have some pretty good examples in my next video of why these are the way that they are. Accounts payable. Now that is a liability. It's something that we owe somebody, so it's money that we are going to soon send out the door. So that increases with a credit and decreases with a debit. Now accumulated depreciation, I put this one on here. It's a little bit more advanced for the fundamentals. However, I did want to share that even though we call it an asset account can still increase with a credit and decrease with a debit, even though on the balance sheet it's going to fall underneath this asset category, and that's just going to offset our fixed assets such as building, land, vehicles, etc., to be explained in a later video. I just wanted to start an intro to the fundamentals of accounting and get you newer college students or learners familiar with how to increase and decrease these accounts. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.